This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi S3 bumper. Start by parking on level ground and gathering a T25, 10mm socket, trim tool, and jack stands. Disconnect the battery and remove the under tray screws before lifting the bumper slightly to access clips. Work methodically from the wheel wells toward the center and keep all fasteners organized for reassembly. Take photos of wiring and clip positions to aid correct alignment on reinstall. Gather these tools and prep steps before starting. You will need a T25, 10mm socket, ratchet, trim tool, and jack stands for safe access. Protect paint with tape and use gloves to keep grip and avoid scratches. Label screws or store them in separate containers so you can quickly find each fastener during reassembly. Clear a workspace near the car and disconnect the battery to prevent accidental shorting while you work. Quick recommendation and a small favor: please subscribe and like if you find this helpful. On another note, these leak-proof meal prep containers make cleanup after greasy bumper work so much easier and prevent spills in the trunk. I personally use them to store bolts and fasteners when swapping parts, and they seal tight during transport. Check the description for a link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow these steps for safe bumper removal. Start by removing wheel arch screws and clips to free the bumper edges. Unbolt lower under tray screws and detach fog light connectors before trying to pull the bumper forward. Have a partner support the bumper when releasing central clips to avoid dropping or damaging it, and set the bumper on a soft surface. Inspect inner supports and clip housings for wear or broken tabs before reinstalling to ensure secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.